we are here in Chris Brown's studio.
We're here at the Madame Athletic Center. We're here at PAX East.
We want all this to go up there on the racks. So this will open up this space and all this space for shipping. I just want to give you guys my raw opinions and emotions about the warehouse because I haven't seen it in like a week and a half.
All right, everyone, we're here at PAX West 2022. It's Saturday, it's the busiest day, and we've been off to a great damn start. Over here, we have the stream running of the 2v2 Vanguard, and we got some t-shirts on display. Now, what we're doing is you have to win a 2v2 match of Hardpoint in order to get a t-shirt because we have a limited amount.
Sit down, sit down. We have successfully established and set up the ultimate dual PC setup. We got two 011 Evos with incredible specs. One with the 4090 from MSI and the Ryzen 9 7900X, and another with a 3080 and a 5900X. Here with the Legends Bose and Aaron Create, yo. We just got done building two incredible custom Rich and Lonely PCs. We're at the Optic headquarters in Dallas, and it's a vibe, yo. They turned out amazing.